In the rush of today's racing world, design and innovation have to be quick and intentional. Practices that embody this are cornerstones of modern invention and growth. Rules created to obtain an unknown with fewer steps, evaluated with the minimum inputs, are the essence of efficiency and engineering. Okay, maybe it's not that important, but the voltage divider rule does play a pretty useful role in circuit analysis and voltage calculations. Simply put, the voltage divider rule is an equation to find the potential difference or voltage drop across resistors in series. This is for both AC and DC applications. In saying this, it can also be modified to find voltage drops across other components, such as inductors and capacitors for AC circuits, but I'll be focusing on resistors. If we take a simple circuit with a known source voltage and resistive values of the resistors, the rule defines that the source voltage E multiplied by the ratio of resistance on the total branch resistance will be equal to the voltage across that resistor. In this circuit, there's a source voltage of 40 volts and a 3 ohm, 5 ohm, and 2 ohm resistor. To find the voltage across any of the resistors, we can use an application of the voltage divider rule. Take the 5 ohm resistor for example. By timesing the 40 volt source voltage by the 5 ohms of resistance on top of the total of the 3 resistances, in this case 10 ohms, we can find the potential difference across the 5 ohm resistor. In this case, it's 20 volts. The rule outlines that the ratio of voltages across series resistors is equal to the ratio of their respective resistances. This means if all resistors in a series branch are equal, the voltage drop across them will also be equal. Thus, the voltage drop will be the source voltage divided by the number of resistors. This simple example shows a 20 volt source voltage and 3 6 ohm resistors. To find the voltage drop across any of the resistors, the 20 volts is simply divided by 3 to find a voltage of 6.66 volts. To summarize, the voltage divider rule is a simple way to calculate potential differences across resistors in series. This rule saves time and simplifies calculations as it does not require the use of current or other additional calculations. A basic application of the rule is the voltage divider circuit, used to generate a part of its input voltage as an output with minimal components. But there are many more uses for this handy rule, so there you go. Thanks.